Engine Flynn. This book is a collection from Thomas and Friends. Hello everyone, I'm Bhavish Aditya. Let me read a story for you. Flynn, the red fire engine, was at the soda rescue center. Diesel pulled up beside him. "Good morning," said Flynn. "It isn't a good morning," moaned Diesel. "I'm very busy. You're not busy." "I'm waiting to get busy," said Flynn. "You always want to be really useful." Just then, the rescue bell rang. "Stand by, fire engine Flynn." Boomed Rocky. "That's a blue engine." Flynn didn't wait to hear anymore. He sounded his siren loudly. "Wah! I'm ready to save the blue engine," he called. And with the honk of his horn, he was off in a flash. "That's the blue engine in trouble," puffed Flynn as he raced down the track. When he saw Edward the blue engine, he screeched to a stop. "Edward, I have come to save you," he called. Fire engine Flynn to the rescue. Flynn fired his water cannon. Water whooshed all over Edward. And Edward driver too. "Flynn, what are you doing?" Edward cried out. "I'm not on fire." "Oh, I'm sorry, Edward," Flynn said. He felt very silly. It must be another blue engine that's in trouble. "I must hurry to find it." And Flynn rushed away. Gordon was at Parent's station. He was picking up the fat controller and dog hat. Flynn saw Gordon, the blue engine. He screeched to stop. "Gordon, I have come to save you," he cried. Fire engine Flynn to the rescue. Flynn fired his water cannon. Water splashed all over Gordon and the fat controller. "I'm not on fire, Flynn," Gordon grumbled. Flynn had tried to save the wrong engine again. He felt very silly indeed. "I'm sorry," said Flynn. "It must be another blue engine in trouble. I have to find it." Flynn wished away. "I wish I had waited to hear which engine needed the help," said Flynn sadly. Flynn found another blue engine at the diesel box. It was Thomas. His firebox was on fire. Flynn fired his water cannon, but no water came out. Flynn had used it all up. "Sorry, Thomas," Flynn said sadly. "I didn't wait to hear which blue engine I have to save. And now I can't save you." Then Flynn had a great idea. "Diesels," he said. "You will save Thomas." Diesel drivers poured water on Thomas' flaming firebox. With a face, the fire went out. Flynn trundled back to the rescue center where he was filled up with water. He waited to be busy once more. The rescue bell rang again. "An engine needs help," boomed Rocky. And this time, Flynn waited to hear which engine it was. If you want more Readalong stories, like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye. Thank you.